Welcome back to CarWow 787, where we break down the machines, mechanics, and raw muscle that power the roads. Whether you're a fleet owner, diesel mechanic, or just someone who appreciates the pure engineering that goes into building the heart of a truck, this is your space to learn, compare, and think like a pro. Today we've got two heavy hitters in the engine game going head-to-head, the Cummins X10 and the PACCAR MX-16. If you're in the market for a modern powertrain solution or just curious about the future of heavy-duty diesel performance, this is the showdown you don't want to miss. The Cummins X10 is a new addition to the X-Series lineup, and it marks an important evolution in medium to heavy-duty diesel engines. Cummins has always been known for reliability and long-term value, but with the X10, they're pushing things even further, focusing on power density, fuel efficiency, and emissions compliance in a package that's both lighter and smarter than its predecessors. The X10 is expected to be a versatile platform, available in ratings from 350 to 500 horsepower, with torque output reaching up to around 1,850 pound-feet. That puts it right in the sweet spot for regional haul, vocational trucks, and some on-highway applications where performance meets efficiency. The engine has been designed to work seamlessly with both automated and manual transmissions, and its compact design allows it to fit into a wide range of vehicle types without sacrificing cooling or maintenance access. That's a huge plus for fleets looking to simplify servicing while maximizing uptime. Cummins also leaned into new technologies like predictive diagnostics, advanced after-treatment systems, and optimized combustion control. All of this adds up to a power unit that is not only clean-burning but smart, something that's becoming more and more important in today's data-driven trucking landscape. Now let's look at the PACCAR MX-16. This engine is a powerhouse in its own right and has been specifically designed by PACCAR to complement their own line of trucks, especially Kenworth and Peterbilt. With horsepower ranging from 405 to 515 and torque levels up to 1,850 pound-feet, the MX-16 matches up well against the Cummins X10 on paper. But what sets the MX-16 apart is its seamless integration with PACCAR drivetrains, chassis systems, and in-house software. The level of harmonization between engine, transmission, and vehicle is arguably tighter than anything else in the market. The MX-16 is built on a strong foundation of forged steel pistons, compact graphite iron blocks, and integrated oil cooling, the kind of engineering that prioritizes long life and durability under constant load. This is an engine that's designed for longevity, and PACCAR claims it's been validated for over 1 million miles of operation under real-world conditions. It also includes predictive maintenance tools similar to Cummins, which analyze component wear and operating conditions in real time to alert drivers or fleet managers of issues before they become failures. In terms of fuel economy, both engines aim high, but they go about it in slightly different ways. The Cummins X10 leverages advanced air handling, precise fuel metering, and a high-efficiency turbo to extract the most energy from each drop of diesel. It's a lighter engine than most in its class, so operators also benefit from reduced gross vehicle weight, which can translate into more payload capacity or just better MPG overall. In test environments and early fleet trials, the X10 has shown promise in reducing fuel consumption by 5 to 10% compared to older engines in its weight class. The MX-16 counters with an electronically controlled fuel injection system and a focus on optimal combustion at varied RPM levels. This engine adjusts quickly to changing driving conditions, maintaining torque delivery without overfueling or sacrificing engine life. While the differences in fuel economy might not be massive when measured mile for mile, over the life of the truck, they could mean thousands in savings, especially when fuel prices spike or when hauling long distances is the daily grind. Where emissions are concerned, both engines are built to meet or exceed current EPA standards, but Cummins has built a reputation for staying ahead of regulations. The X10 utilizes a single-module after-treatment system that includes SCR, EGR, and ADPF in one tight, efficient unit. That means fewer parts, less complexity, and quicker regeneration cycles. PACCAR also equips the MX-16 with an advanced emissions system, and they've managed to keep performance high even during regen events, a critical factor for uptime. In terms of serviceability, Cummins still holds a slight edge simply because of its massive support network. The X10 will be supported by thousands of certified service centers, and parts are expected to be widely available. The platform is also built with modular components that can be swapped or serviced more easily, reducing labor costs and downtime. PACCAR's Mx16 service footprint is also expanding, but it's still largely tied to Kenworth and Peterbilt dealers. That's fine if you operate those brands, but it could be limiting if you're running a mixed fleet or working in remote areas. One of the more understated but important aspects to consider is noise and driver comfort. Cummins has put a lot of engineering into NVH, that's noise, vibration, and harshness. On the X10, the result is a smoother, quieter operation, particularly at idle and lower PMIs. For drivers who spend long hours in the cab, this reduction in vibration and cabin noise makes a significant difference. PACCAR has also made strides in this area. The Mx16 features balanced shafts and sound-insulated engine covers that contribute to a quieter cab, especially when matched with PACCAR trucks designed to isolate road and engine noise.